Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be flipping through this really cute new classic happy planner. This is a vertical layout, and look at Mickey and Minnie on the cover. We're going to go through this whole thing. I'm going to show it to you in detail. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. So the Happy Planner was generous enough to send me a box of Disney products. This is a new collaboration with Disney. Super excited about this. If you have not seen my unboxing of all the products, I will put a little card up there and you can check that out. But I'm going to be flipping through a bunch of products that I got in that box. So this planner is a 12-month planner. It starts in January, goes to December 2021. It's a classic sized, and it has these beautiful gold like glitter discs. So cute. And yes, Disney collab, you guys. It's got Mickey and Minnie on the front. It says a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles, and there is gold foiling here. It's just beautiful. Like, I love the red color. It's just bright and cheerful. It makes me happy to look at it. So let's get into this and see what is inside. All right, so on the inside cover, we have this black and white polka dot look, and there's little Mickey heads on here. How cute is that? And then here we have the name page, just says, hello, this magical happy planner belongs to, and then you put your name down there. I love how they added in magical because that's like so Disney, you know? All right, and then here is the page for the calendar for 2021 and 2022. And then we have the year at a glance pages, and you've got some cute little pictures of Mickey and Minnie on here. How sweet is that? I love these colors here. And then another picture of them dancing on the next page. All right, so this is going to be your currently page. I think it's really cute. I love this black up here with the red, yellow, and white polka dots. I think that's adorable. That is so my style. And then we have a section for notes and big ideas here in a dot grid. We have some lines on this side for whatever you want to put there. And then down here, we've got holidays, birthdays, and special dates. New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Day, yada, yada, yada. It's going to be the same for every month with different holidays. But look how cute they are. And then, so for January, we have Minnie and Mickey XOXO and a little Polaroid. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that's adorable. So here is your monthly view. We have those same really cute polka dots at the top with the little Mickey heads. And then look, Mickey and Minnie are peeking out from a couple of the days in the month. So cute. Over here in the sidebar, we have a dot grid, and it says going on this month. And so you can make your list there. I love it. And look, the 2021, this like 0 is a Mickey head. How adorable. I'm just going to keep saying how adorable, how cute, but it is. It's so cute. So this is going to be your weekly page. In the middle, we have stars and Mickey heads. And then look, the dates, you guys, are Mickey heads. That is so cute. I love that so much. And it's like really clean, you guys. It's very neutral. You don't have any color on the week. You can put any stickers you want. There's nothing down here. It's very subtle. I know you have Minnie and Mickey over here, but they're super cute. There's nothing on here though. That makes me really happy. And then over here we have important tasks this week. We have a little graph section here, and then we have a line section with some bullet points here for a list. So it's pretty neutral, even though there's some color right here. Overall, it's really not bad. I mean, when I say not bad, I know not everybody likes neutral. For me, I do. So not bad for me is what I'm saying. I really like it, actually. So it looks like it's going to be the same for each week. Now down on this one, it says always be true to you. So you do have a quote on the second week. On the third week, no quote. And on the 4th week, we do have another quote over here on this side. But honestly, the quotes are so minimal and not fancy. It's very basic font, like really clean looking. That's the word I'm looking for. It just says, hooray for today. I think that's cute. That does not bother me one bit. Okay, there's the 5th week, and then we go into February, and you're gonna have your same pictures here, but look, there's a little picture of Mickey Mouse with a little letter for Minnie that has hearts on it. I don't think you had that in January because it's for Valentine's Day. Oh, you did? All right, never mind. I didn't see it the first time. So it is not for Valentine's Day. I apologize, but it's so cute, right? So each of these currently pages are going to be the same except for the month. Okay, so February divider, we have Dream Bigger, Sparkle Brighter, Live Bolder. I'm not going to go through all of these, but I did want to mention that you do have Mickey and Minnie on different days peeking out, probably each month. Yeah, they're going to be on different days, and I think that's really cute. And then this is going to be the same. Let's just look. You're going to have different quotes, though. This says, start your day with a dance party. And this says, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Okay, we're into March. Always find something to smile about. And you've got some red foiling on these pictures of Minnie and Mickey. That's really, really cute. Yeah, I don't mind foiling when it's like accenting like this. I think that's really pretty. And you have a tiny little gold Mickey down there. There's your March calendar, International Women's Day. There's Minnie Mouse on there, which is kind of cool. And then I just want to peek at these quotes. It seems like they're going to be different every month. Leave a trail of magic wherever you go and start living your dreams. I like that it gives you different quotes every month. Here is April. And we have these yellow stripes with Mickey and Minnie. I'm not really going to look at every month, but I just wanted to check this out. National Pet Day. Maybe I will look at every month because they're so cute. So in April, National Pet Day is the 11th, and there's Minnie hugging a little cat. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Okay, so May, see the beauty in every day, and we have gold foil Mickeys. Here's May's calendar. June, Better Together. Little gold foiling on that one. Let's look at June's calendar. National Best Friends Day. You have Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck because they're best friends. Okay, July, Collect Moments, Not Things. I just like the color palette because it's like only a few colors. So it's really, I don't know, it just appeals to me. International Day of Friendship is July 30th. And you got like a bunch of pals here. You got Mickey and Donald and Goofy. And again, these guys are peeking out on different days every month, which I think is a really cute little detail. In August, Make Your Own Magic. There's Mickey and Minnie with like those little photo things from a photo booth. So, so cute. There's August calendar. And then we have September with this beautiful blue. And this is the same picture that's down here that I thought was on Valentine's Day, but it's every month. It's just really, really cute though, right? There's September calendar. And then we have October. And we have this pink page with Minnie and Mickey. Let's look at the October calendar. And then we have November, Create Your Own Sunshine. It's yellow, so, so cute. And for Friendsgiving on the 24th, it's a bunch of Disney characters right there on that block. And then December, Life is Meant for Good Friends and Great Adventures. With this red, and then Minnie and Mickey are making a heart. So cute. So, so cute. Okay. So let me just look at the very back. There's probably a note page. Yes. Leave a trail of magic wherever you go, and it's that pretty blue color, which I love. The back is going to be that same polka dot look. And then we have a red back cover. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this beautiful planner. I think it's gorgeous, and yeah, I'm excited for all these Disney products. So stay tuned for more flip throughs, and you can check, I'm leaving in my description box, I'm leaving a like flip through playlist for you guys if you need to find my other flip throughs. Also, if you're going to be purchasing these, I would appreciate it if you use either my Hobby Planner link or my Joann link to purchase. It gives me a little bit of extra cash, and that would be much appreciated. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.